Hey, so this may seem a bit random. I've done this before on my channel. For some reason, I like to do it for my channel. Or I'm doing it for me, really. But I like to paint my rims from time to time, and I'm pleasantly surprised. I really didn't know what to expect because I go into everything with little to no knowledge on most subjects, and and I have to figure it out as I go, and I'm a quick learner when it comes to certain things, but when it comes to learning lessons, oh my gosh, like I need to be knocked in the head a few times, like, before I really get the bigger picture. Anyways, long story short, this is the first time that I've ever done my rims, and they were actually like really good, came out really good. But yeah, I will say I used like Fusion. I used Fusion like 5-in-1, I think. Jeez Louise, dude, that was like ridiculous. For what? Come on, DirecTV, like, come on, give me a break. Anyways, so what I'm gonna demonstrate to you here is how to paint your rims without having to take your rims off of your car. I'm painting mine black. You can paint them whatever color you want. You can use the Fusion if you want it to be like permanent. I'm pretty sure this is permanent paint. I'm not quite certain, but I think it is. I would prefer it to be because I didn't realize when I was doing this before, but I was running my rims. I don't think I used Fusion before though. Whatever I used though, be weary of. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put tape all around the tire itself. Make sure that you cover that area. You're going to want to do what I'm demonstrating here, which is you're going to want to put some plastic in the inside of the rims. That way you can block off all the, ways that the paint could end up ruining your tire or whatever, and then you're good to go. I mean, as long as it's on there the right way, you know what I mean? Get your colors out and you start working on that son of a gun. I tell you what, and then you'll have yourself a pretty old car, that's for sure. Once you know that it's going to be dry and everything like that, you can tear off the tape. You're going to want to do a few coats, by the way. This is not like a one and done type of deal. This is definitely a couple different tries type of thing, you know what I mean? Keep on doing it. Make sure don't do a thick coat, and then you're good to go. And then you can pull it all off and pull the thing on the inside out. You don't want to drive with that down the road, and then you're good to go. It might take a full day or something like that. So yes, it was 5-1, as you can see. I looked at reviews online about how long it takes usually, and it says it cures really fast on their website, but other people are saying like 21 days or something. I didn't take 21 days. I couldn't, to be honest with you. It rained the next day, so I tried not to drive it until I knew it was dry, which it was like 12 to 18 hours later that I did start driving it. So, I mean, it just depends on how long you think. It depends on the weather conditions as well. It's really humid out here, but it's really hot in Florida. So, and I live in the Panhandle, so I live in Pensacola. So, it was really hot outside. It was the perfect conditions to do it, and it was like really hot. It was really hot. I was sweating doing it, to be honest with you. The only part that takes a lot of time is like putting the plastic inside the rim, but other than that, it's not that time consuming, you know what I mean? You just gotta get it done. But anyways, I hope this review helped someone out there. Thank you for watching. And who the calling me? I don't know that phone number. Like, I don't know that phone number. Why are they calling me right now? Are you kidding me? Who is that? Like, text me, you dumb idiot. I got DirecTV. I don't have DirecTV. You guys need to not call me. For real. What do I look like? They're leaving me the longest voicemail ever, too. Like, get off my
Foxy lady. Here it comes.